Interesting.
I would.
These are screwed up.
I would, but I don't have space.
I get you. There's that one. Oh boy, it's original.
Headlights are on.
Huh.
That's Epco, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
Let's be quiet so we can hear the motor. Interesting.
You can tell it's still connected to original bell controllers.
Yeah, they just replaced, they all, I think all they did was replace the bell with the mechanical chime. Too bad it doesn't light up.
8 health zone. Entrance open 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Oh, it's open.
It's a bit after 9. Dover Health, or ThyssenKrupp.
Just helplessly.
These are cool.
One of the wheels is definitely off.
Yeah.
It feels like a traction elevator because of that.
Huh.
Like we're going really fast, right?
Yeah.
It feels like we're just soaring because it's going shaking like crazy.
Yeah, it feels faster than we actually are going.
This is an interesting fixture combination.
Yeah, this is neat. These are actually way neater than I thought any elevators in here would be. Anyway, oh, look at the lobby panel. That's cool.
I wonder if they push. They do.
So much for the phone.
These are buttons,
Oh, that's funny.
so you can push all of these.
Anyway,
That'd be cool if you could like push
that's
it and call